Hi, this is Namrata from Modern Plastics TV. We are here at Die Mould India 2026 exhibition held at Nesco Goregaon, Mumbai. We also have an opportunity to meet Mr. Uday Rathi from Marcopolo. So we are really thankful that you have given us a few minutes of yours to have a conversation. So we would like to understand something, the background of your company, and also what products you have.
Definitely. Thank you for the opportunity. So, we are Marco Polo. We are a 27-year-old firm which specializes in providing end-to-end solutions from prototyping till production. So, we were founded as one of India's first prototyping firm back in 1999. And today, it's a whole spectrum of enabling plastic component development. So you know how R&D teams design, be it a vehicle bumper or an appliance altogether. We are the ones who will do the 3D printing of that as a first prototype. Then we do some functional prototypes which can go into testing where they can validate their components. And then we are also doing some low volume production in smaller quantities, smaller MOQs, which enables especially something like a startup or a highly specialized firm to productionize their components without the commitment to a very high MOQ.
So, what are your company's future plans and how do you take this 10 years down the line?
So the future plan is to essentially enable innovation and product development in India. We have been fortunate to be part of the entire innovation and R&D story here so far. The future holds for us is doubling down on the prototyping because India is seeing a lot of new R&D centers coming up, startups coming up. So we are actively working with them. And we also want to help that journey right from the design part till the production. So we are also doubling down on our production capabilities in injection molding and to cater to the low to medium volume production within India and export it to the world.
How is your company contributing towards this die mold and tooling industry?
So we've been a bridge between the design and production tooling for 15 years. We do soft tooling, which is essentially a way to quickly develop your parts in production intent material, so that you can go for testing before you commit crores into your production tool. So that's been our core specialization. So yeah, we've been doing that. We will continue to do that because we're seeing a great demand there. And then, of course, like I said, for all the newer companies coming up who need our manufacturing expertise, we are here to tell them how injection molded components will be made, and we are here to take care of that design, feasibility, and production.
So, how is your experience considering this exhibition?
Oh, it's fantastic. We are here for, I think, the third time. So it's always been great response. We have our regular OEMs, tier ones coming, meeting us. So that's always a great connect. And then we always find some new people, especially innovators of the country. So all in all, very good. We are looking forward to the next 2 days also, and it should be great.
What would you like to say about the company's sustainability future?
Sorry, I didn't.
How well planned is your company to have a sustainable future?
I'd like to say we are very well planned. We've been working on that. But no, I mean, the future that way is we are in a plastics industry. There's a lot of recycling. There's a lot of sustainability factors happening in general. So in terms of our contribution there, we are good. In terms of our own sustainable success of the future, we are seeing the in general environmental trends or the general industry trends which are helping us in terms of higher production content. So we know for a fact that the business will also come sustainably to us. So yeah, that's I think the two balance answers.
Actually, you have said that it is 25 years old company, so definitely sustainability is there.
A little bit.
Yes, thank you so much for that. And what message you would like to convey to the industry and the people?
Yeah, I think it's just the opportunity right now is great for us, for the overall industry, because the global sentiment is also fairly good towards India. There's a lot of localization happening, and then of course the scope to go big in the world is also there. So I think a great time for good engineering and good quality execution to come into our industry here.
So we are really thankful to Mr. Uday for giving us the beautiful insights, and definitely we are here to look forward and your contribution to the industry. Thank you so much on behalf of Modern TV. Thank you.
Thank you.